Welcome to iSeen TV. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
If we are pushed to the wall, we don't know what some of our radical members might do.
The Association of Cattle Rearers and Owners, known as Mayetti, has come out again to warn President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to release their leader, Bola, unconditionally. But it seems that the president is busy campaigning all around as if there is election ahead. Nigeria is sitting on the gunpowder. Everywhere is issue upon issue, crisis upon crisis. Mayetti has issued a stern warning to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to release their leader unconditionally. In their communique, they said that they are peace-loving people and they are not ready to foment any trouble. But if the government try to step on their toes by turning a deaf ear to their plea by releasing their leader, which is Bola, that they are going to release their radical member into the community and make sure that they suffer the government and the security agencies, that they will not be at rest. Meanwhile, there are some issues on this issue of herders, farmers, that the federal government should create a ranches for them so that there won't be necessary for any herder or cattle rearer to move their cattle on the road or across any farm again. Once there is a ranches, they will be able to move their cow to their ranches through truck, and thereby also we create a job for other people too. From there, they can get some dairy products and other things from there. Also, they can also make sure that other sectors of farming like poultry or fishery is encouraged so that there will be reduction in consumption of cow meat. Thereby, it will also boost the economy in other sectors. But these people have come out again to give a stern warning to the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that they are not joking this time around. If they did not release their leader, they are ready to make sure that the government did not sleep. Like a proverb that says, the pikin wey say mama no go sleep, himself no go sleep. What is your own opinion concerning what Mayetti has said to the security agency and to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu? Please drop your comment in the comment section and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.